Welcome back to Chrome and Coffee, car fans. Toyota. It's the gold standard in automotive reliability, value, and efficiency. But what if we told you that some car brands not only match Toyota, they even surpass it? Whether it's performance, luxury, technology, or durability, there are car brands out there quietly dominating Toyota in several areas. Stick around because you might change your opinion on what makes a car truly great. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. It helps us out immensely. Let's get to it. 1. Lexus, the premium powerhouse. Let's start with a twist. Lexus. Yes, it's technically Toyota's luxury division, but Lexus routinely outperforms Toyota in every possible category from refinement to resale value. Lexus vehicles offer a far more sophisticated driving experience than their Toyota counterparts. Their interiors rival European luxury brands like BMW and Audi, with buttery soft leather, hand-stitched dashboards, and serene, quiet cabins. Their ride quality is buttery smooth, thanks to superior suspension setups like adaptive variable suspension. And when it comes to reliability, Lexus doesn't just beat Toyota, it leads the entire industry. For years, Lexus has dominated Consumer Reports and J.D. Power rankings, often sitting above Toyota. Lexus owners also report higher satisfaction and longer ownership. So if you're a Toyota fan looking for the next step up, Lexus isn't just better, it's elite. 2. Mazda, the underdog champion. Mazda might fly under the radar, but it's quietly making vehicles that are more fun to drive, more stylish, and just as reliable as Toyota, if not more in some cases. Take the Mazda 3 or the CX-5. Compared to the Toyota Corolla or RAV4, Mazda offers a much more dynamic and engaging ride. The steering is crisp, the suspension is tuned for performance, and it makes you feel connected to the road. Mazda also punches above its weight in interior quality. You'd be hard-pressed to find another brand at this price point, offering cabins that feel so upscale. We're talking real stitching, brushed aluminum, and elegant design touches that rival German brands. Here's the kicker. Mazda routinely ranks near or above Toyota in reliability reports. Combine that with a sportier character, and you've got a brand that offers more than Toyota, especially for driving enthusiasts. 3. Honda, the more balanced competitor. Toyota and Honda have always been rivals, but in recent years, Honda has edged ahead in key areas like engine design, interior flexibility, and even innovation. Honda's engines are known for their smooth, high-revving nature and bulletproof reliability. The K-Series engines in particular are legendary. While Toyota often plays it safe, Honda takes more engineering risks, and it usually pays off. Vehicles like the Accord and Civic offer better driving dynamics than the Camry or Corolla. They're more agile, quicker off the line, and more responsive in turns. Honda interiors also tend to be more versatile. Magic seats in the Fit, rear seat space in the Accord, and clever cargo layouts in the CR-V show how Honda engineers obsess over real-world usability. If you want a car that balances performance, practicality, and long-term value, Honda is your better bet. 4. Hyundai, the fast-rising giant. 10 years ago, no one would have dared say Hyundai was better than Toyota. But today, it's a different story. Hyundai has completely transformed its lineup. Models like the Sonata, Elantra N, Tucson, and Palisade offer bold design, intuitive technology, and features that Toyota doesn't match at similar price points. From infotainment screens to advanced driver assistance systems, Hyundai is leading the charge in high-end tech. And with warranties that blow Toyota out of the water, like the 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain coverage, Hyundai offers better peace of mind right off the showroom floor. Also, don't forget Genesis, Hyundai's luxury arm, which has been crushing it in awards and customer satisfaction. Hyundai isn't just catching up, it's overtaking Toyota in several key areas, especially when it comes to value-packed innovation. 5. Subaru, rugged reliability. If you live in snow country or love off-roading, Subaru is a better fit than Toyota. Every Subaru, except the BRZ, comes standard with symmetrical all-wheel drive, something Toyota only includes on a select few models. The AWD system is renowned for its durability and performance in harsh conditions. Whether it's rain, snow, mud, or gravel, Subarus handle it all with confidence. The Outback and Forester are two of the most beloved crossovers in America, offering a perfect blend of practicality, ground clearance, and rugged charm. Toyota's RAV4 may sell more units, but it doesn't offer the same outdoorsy appeal or AWD reliability. Subaru also focuses heavily on safety. Their EyeSight safety suite is one of the best in the business and has been proven to reduce crashes. For those who want adventure-ready capability and longevity, Subaru edges out Toyota in the real-world utility department. 6. BMW, the driver's brand. Let's step into the luxury realm. If your priority is a thrilling driving experience, Toyota doesn't hold a candle to BMW. While Toyota is engineered for comfort and simplicity, BMW is built around performance. With near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, finely tuned suspensions, and responsive turbocharged engines, BMWs offer an experience Toyota doesn't try to match. Even Toyota's sportiest models, like the GR Supra, are heavily based on BMW engineering. That says a lot. Interior materials in BMWs are a cut above, and the iDrive infotainment system has matured into one of the best on the market. Yes, BMWs are more expensive to maintain, but when judged on sheer driving dynamics, build quality, and prestige, BMW is in a league of its own. 7. Kia, the stylish tech king. Kia, like Hyundai, has undergone a massive glow-up recently. In many areas, it's even bolder than Toyota. Take its Telluride, for example. It's one of the most awarded SUVs of the decade and regularly beats Toyota's Highlander in head-to-head comparisons. With sleek design, top-tier tech, and family-friendly features, it's a standout. The K5 sedan outclasses the Camry in style and tech, and the EV6 is light years ahead of Toyota's BZ4X in electric car credibility. Kia's interiors are also a step ahead, especially in the upper trims. Ambient lighting, premium materials, massive screens, and bold design cues give the brand a modern, upscale feel. Toyota plays it safe, but Kia dares to be different, and that's winning over buyers. 8. Volvo, safety and sophistication. If safety, elegance, and Scandinavian minimalism appeal to you, Volvo is head and shoulders above Toyota. Volvo has built its brand around protecting lives, and it shows. Their crash test scores are consistently at the top of the charts. Their advanced safety systems are among the most comprehensive in the industry. But Volvo doesn't stop at safety. Their interiors are serene, luxurious, and beautifully crafted. From the XC60 to the S90, Volvo's lineup feels more like a spa than a vehicle. Toyota might be dependable, but Volvo takes it further by combining that dependability with calm sophistication and class-leading safety. 9. Porsche, engineering mastery. Now, this one might feel like an unfair fight, but Porsche deserves a mention when discussing what makes a truly exceptional car brand. Toyota is practical, Porsche is pure passion. From the engineering precision of the 911 to the surprising utility of the Cayenne and Macan, Porsche blends performance, reliability, and prestige in a way few brands can match. Porsche isn't just about speed, though, it's also about precision. Every part feels engineered to perfection. And believe it or not, Porsche consistently ranks among the highest for reliability in recent JD Power reports. You won't find an economy car in Porsche's lineup, but if you're talking about quality per vehicle, Porsche embarrasses Toyota in refinement and drive quality. 10. Acura, luxury that lasts. If you're looking for a luxury brand that blends performance, long-term reliability, and understated elegance, Acura deserves your attention, as it outpaces Toyota in multiple categories. While Toyota focuses on mass-market reliability, Acura delivers that same durability wrapped in a far more premium package. It's essentially Honda's luxury arm, but unlike some other upscale sub-brands, Acura has a distinct identity: precision-crafted performance. Models like the Acura TLX and MDX offer refined driving dynamics that provide sports sedan agility in all weather conditions. Toyota doesn't offer anything in the same bracket with comparable handling prowess. Acura interiors are sleek and tech-savvy with leather-trimmed seating, ambient lighting, and high-end infotainment systems. When it comes to performance, Acura brings serious heat. While Toyota is dependable and functional, Acura adds excitement, precision, and class, making it a more compelling option for drivers. From the luxury of Lexus to the high-tech brilliance of Hyundai to the reliability of Subaru, these brands all bring something to the table that Toyota can't match. Whether it's sharper driving, richer interiors, cutting-edge technology, or next-level engineering, these automakers prove that being better isn't always about selling the most cars. It's about elevating the experience. So now we ask you, car fans, has Toyota been dethroned, or is it still the king in your garage? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to hit that like button if you learned something new, subscribe for more honest car content, and tap the bell so you never miss an automotive deep dive. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.